हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फार्मा रिसर्चर। आज की वीडियो में मैं डिस्कस करूंगा फार्मेसी गेट 2003 ईयर का क्वेश्चन पेपर। इस पेपर में टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस हैं, इसलिए मैं इस वीडियो को टू पार्ट्स में बना रहा हूँ। जो फर्स्ट पार्ट है उसमें सिंपल एमसीक्यूज एंड मल्टीपल सिलेक्शन क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, और जो पार्ट सेकंड बनेगा उसमें जो है वो मैच द फॉलोइंग वाले एंड स्टेटमेंट प्रॉब्लम्स, ये दो टाइप के एमसीक्यूज क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज colchicine is biogenetically derived from one of the following. The correct answer is option A, tyrosine and phenylalanine. Next question is the diagnostic character for the microscopical identification of Kurchi bark is, and the correct answer is option B, horseshoe shaped stone cells. Question number 3 is it is possible to initiate the development of complete plants from callus cell cultures by suitable manipulation of medium with respect to. So the correct answer is option D, with respect to hormones. The next question is polyploidy is defined as, and the correct answer is option B, multiplication of entire chromosome set. The next question is the starting material for the synthesis of alprazolam is, and the correct answer is option B, 2-amino 5-chlorovenzophenone. The next question is simplification of morphine system gave one benzomorphin derivative, and the correct answer is option A, pentajocin. Next question is a metabolite of spironolactone is, and the correct answer is option B, candrinone. Next question, the IUPAC name for naproxen is, and the correct answer is option D, S2,6-methoxy-2-naphthyl propionic acid. The next question is the metabolic function of riboflavin involves the following. The correct answer is option A, FMN and FAD. Next question is X-ray spectral lines Ka doublet arises from transition of electrons from, and the correct answer is option B, L shell to K shell. And the next question is the method of expressing magnetic field strength is, and the correct answer is option D, Gauss. Next question is a solvent used in NMR studies is, and the correct answer is option C, carbon tetrachloride. Next question is a widely accepted detector electrode for pH measurement is, and the correct answer is option C, AgAgCl electrode. Next question, commercial production of citric acid is carried out by the microbial culture of, and the correct answer is option C, Aspergillus niger. Next question is for thermophilic microorganisms the minimum growth temperature required is, and the correct answer for this question is option D, 65 degrees Celsius. Next question is obligatory anaerobes are, and the correct answer for this is obligatory analogues do not tolerate oxygen and die in its presence. Next question is plasmid is a, and the correct answer is option C, plasmid is a hybrid DNA that is formed by joining pieces DNA. The next question is lactose intolerance is because of the lack of, and the correct answer is amylase. Option D is correct. Next question is synthesis of urea takes place exclusively in, and the correct answer is option B, liver. Next question, a term which describes a cofactor that is finally bound to an apoenzyme is, and the correct answer is option C, coenzyme. Next question, how many parts of 10% ointment we mixed with 2 parts of 15% ointment to get 12% ointment? Answer is option B, that is 3. Next question is the correct non-ionic surfactant used as a penetration enhancer in the preparation of mucoadhesive is, and the correct answer is option D, propylene glycol. Next question is one of the ex officio member of the Pharmacy Council of India is, and the correct answer is option A, Director General of Health Services. Next question is the schedule in Drug and Cosmetic Act that deals with the requirements and guidelines for clinical trials, import and manufacture of new drugs is, and the correct answer is option D, Schedule by. Next question is a retardant material that forms a hydrophilic matrix in the formulation of matrix tablets is, and the correct answer for this question is option A, HPMC, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose. Next question is a drug which causes pink to brownish skin pigmentation within a few weeks of the initiation of therapy is, and the correct answer is option B, clofazimine. Next question is the risk of digitalis toxicity is significantly increased by concomitant administration of, and the correct answer is option D, hydrochlor. Next question is an agent used in prinzmetal angina has a spasmolytic action which increases coronary blood supply is, and the correct answer is option D, isosorbide mononitrate. Next question is an organism which has been implicated as a possible cause of chronic gastritis and peptic ulcer is, and the correct answer is option C, Helicobacter pylori. Now next question is a 5-HT1D receptor agonist used in migraine is, and the correct answer is option A, sumatriptan. The next question, at present papaver such as papaver bracteatum and papaver oriental are being cultivated instead of papaver somniferum because they contain, and the correct answer is option D, only thivane. Next question is Google resin is, and the correct answer is option D, a hypolipidemic agent obtained from Commiphora mucul consisting of a mixture of sterols including Z pregna 20-diene 316-dione. The next question, in nitrofurantoin synthesis 5-nitrofurfural diacetate is treated with one of the following intermediate in presence of CH3COOH plus H2SO4 plus C2H5OH, and the correct answer for this is option D, that is 1-amino hydantoin. The next question is 4-hydroxy 3-hydroxymethyl benzaldehyde is treated with acetic anhydride and then kept with ether solvent, tertiary butyl cyanide and acetic acid for 10 days. Resulting compound is reduced with LiAlH4 in tetrahydrofuran, and the final product is, so the correct answer for this is option C, salbutamol. The next question, 2-aminothiazolidine is treated with phenyloxirane to get a drug used in roundworm infection is, the correct answer is option A, piperazine. Next question is thiamine hydrochloride on treatment with alkaline potassium ferricyanide gives, and the correct answer for this is option A, thymochrome with fluorescence. Next question is a new drug delivery system which is composed of phospholipids that spontaneously form a multilamellar concentric bilayer vesicles with layers of aqueous media separating the lipid layers is, And the correct answer is option B, liposomes. Next question is, unless otherwise stated in the individual monograph of the pharmacopoeia in the disintegration test for enteric coated tablets, first the dissolution is carried out in, and the correct answer is option A, 0.1 molar hydrochloride. Next question is, what is the proportion of NaCl required to render a 1.5% solution of drug isotonic with blood plasma? The freezing point of 1% weight by volume solution of drug is minus 0.122 degrees Celsius, and that of NaCl is minus 0.576 degrees Celsius. And the correct answer for this question is option C, 0.9%. Then coming to next question, IR spectra appear as dips in the curve rather than maxima as in UV visible spectra because it is a plot of, and the correct answer is option D, percent transmittance against wave number. The next question is, ESR is applied to only those substances showing paramagnetism which is due to the magnetic movement of, and the correct answer is option D, unpaired electrons. The next question is, rotation of electrons about the proton generates a secondary magnetic field which may oppose the applied magnetic field, and the portion is then said to be, and the correct answer is option A, shielded. Next question is, the analyte is used in the form of a solution in flame photometry because it should undergo nebulization. Option C is correct. Next question is, the mechanism of antiparasitic action of mebendazole and thiabendazole involves, and the correct answer is option C, interference with microtubule synthesis and assembly. Next question is, isoniazid is a primary anti-tubercular agent that requires pyridoxine supplementation. Option A is correct for this question. Next question is, decreased risk of atherosclerosis is associated with increase in, and the correct answer is option D, high density lipoproteins. Next question is, the mechanism of action of paclitaxel is, and the correct answer is option B, mitotic spindle poison through the enhancement of tubulin polymerization. And the other two options are in the next page. These are the other two options. Among these, option B is the correct answer. Next question is, lycopodium spore method can be used to find out percentage purity of crude drug which contain well defined particles which can be counted. So option B will be correct for this question. Next question is, the microscopical character of flower buds of Eugenia caryophyllus is, and the correct answer is option A, Collenchymatous parenchyma, containing in its outer part numerous ellipsoidal succisolycinous oil glands. Then coming to next question, in protein biosynthesis, each amino acid is added in its proper place to a growing through the adaptive function of transfer RNA. So option B will be correct. Next question is, Ravi's antiserum IP is a, so the correct answer for this, it is a preparation containing specific globulin or its derivatives obtained by purification of hyperimmune serum or plasma of healthy horses. Now coming to next question, total ash value in case of crude drug signifies, and The multiple option for this is organic content of the drug, Q is mineral matter in the drug, R is addition of extraneous matters such as sand, stone, etc. and S is body matters present in the drug. So from this question onwards, we have to choose multiple or multiple options are to be corrected in this. So for this question, the correct answer is option B, that is Q and R are the correct options. Now next question is, the compound listed below contain sigma, pi and n electrons, and the options are acetaldehyde, butadiene, formaldehyde, benzene. So among these, so for this question, the correct answer is option C, that is P and R are correct answers, that is acetaldehyde and formaldehyde. Next question is, a 60-year-old presents with glaucoma, therapy should include P. Topical atropine, Q. Topical pilocarpine, R. Oral acetazolamide, S. Oral pilocarpine. And the correct answer for this question is option B, Q and R, that is topical pilocarpine and oral acetazolamide. The next question is, measurement of particle size in pharmaceutical aerosols is by P. Cascade impactor, Q. Light scatter decay, R. Carl Fisher method, S. IR spectrophotometry. And the correct answer for this is option A, that is P and Q, that is cascade impactor and light scatter decay. The next question is, the common attributes of ascorbic acid, an antiscorbutic vitamin, are P. Exist in nature in both reduced and oxidized form and in a state of reversible equilibrium. Q. Has a ketoenol system in the molecule. R. Has an aldehyde group since it gives positive Skips reaction. S. Salt forming properties are due to the presence of free carboxyl group. So correct answer for this question is option D, P and Q. Next question is, two pharmaceuticals are P. Slow localization in target tissue. Q. Very long half-life to provide enough exposure to get imaging information. R. Short half-life to minimize radiation exposure yet long enough to get imaging information. S. Rapid localization in target tissue and quick clearance from non-target organs. And the correct answer for this question is option A, P and Q. Next question is, two correct statements concerning vitamin D are, P is the active molecule 1,25 dihydroxy cholecalciferol binds to intracellular receptor proteins. Q. Cholecalciferol is found in vegetables. R. 1,25 dihydroxy D3 is the most potent vitamin D metabolite, and S is it is required in the diet of individuals exposed to sunlight. And the correct answer for this question is option C, that is R and S. सो इस वीडियो में सिर्फ ये पार्ट 1 है, इसमें इतने ही क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। जो नेक्स्ट पार्ट होगा उसमें MCQs एंड स्टेटमेंट प्रॉब्लम्स वाले MCQs जो हैं वो डिस्कस किए जाएंगे। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।